Hello guys, most welcome to Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial I will show you how to stop updation of Windows 10 for temporary, not a permanently. For permanently, actually I have uploaded this video through CMD method how to stop update of Windows 10 for permanently. But here for temporary I am telling you in this video tutorial. So just we have to go in a control panel. So just I click on Windows search bar, then I will come here control panel. So this is your control panel. Now I have to come in directly. See, yes, view by large icon you have to select here. So then you will be able to find out here administrative tool. Then you have to click on administrative tool, and after coming the administrative tools, and then you have to come in a service, and after coming the service you have to just scroll down. Now you have to come in yes window update, and that's at the moment it's running for temporary. I would like to yes stop. So just I will click here and I will stop. So now see, yes, it has shown the message that of course manual triggered. So now this is way for temporary, of course stop the Windows 10 updation. So at the moment I have stopped for temporary. Now here just I will check. So I will come in a Windows search bar and I will write, sorry, directly I will come in a setting 2. I have to come here update setting, and after coming here just I will click here, and then now see this device is missing imported security and the quality fix, but at the moment I have stopped this ones. Whenever you would like to update according to good time, yeah, in course of time you would like to update, then go for check for update, that's all. But for temporary actually I have stopped. Now of course I can go for my official work online. Yes, speed won't be slow because of yes updation mode is not on at the moment. So this is all about in this video tutorial, that how to stop, yeah, how to go for updation stop in your Windows 10 for temporary purpose. So of course I would like to request my dear, if this video has been benefited to you in any way, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channels, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time.